Hi beautiful butterflies, I am back. So we're going to be doing a holiday special today. I'm going to do just some green colors, some gold colors to get this St. Patrick's Day, festivities kicked off. So I'm going to go from this to look like this. Alright, so we're going to get this look started, and I'm going to do the 3rd edition 120 color eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm going to use some greens and some golds in this beautiful palette. I already did my concealer and my Tarte and my foundation so that we can go straight into the eyes and be done. If you have any questions, I will link everything down below. So I'm going to use a Luxie brush, and I'm going to go in with, these are all very shimmery colors, but for the holiday look, I'm just going to go with it. I'm going to use my Tarte Amazonian Clay bronzer. The waterproof bronzer. I'm going to use it as my setting crease just to start this color off. Just give some definition because I love this bronzer. Okay. I'm going to go in with this gold color right here, and I'm about to just go all out on this eye because it is St. Patrick's Day and we want to be as cute and festive as we can be. I'm doing the inner and the outer corners, focusing it just into the middle of the crease and up. These colors are very pigmented, so I'm trying to not make a mess. And to get that gold color in there. And I'm going to use, what green are we going to use today? I'm going to use this green right here, and we're just going to lighten it. Put that right in the center of my eye. And just pack it on the center of my eye. Okay. Just gonna take that, any fallout, we just sweep it away, sweep it away. Okay, so now that I got the green and gold on my eyes, I'm going to use this turquoise, greenish blue right here. It's in the levels of the green, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye. But we are not done yet. We are not done yet, my friends. Okay, so now that we have our eyes done, I'm going to go in with the Hunter Green by CoverGirl. And this is the Perfect Point Plus. And I'm just going to darken up my eye at the bottom for my eyeliner. Now that we have our eyeliner on, I'm going to do the Glow Sweets in the color Butterscotch. It's a gold highlight right here. Just going to tap into that. And since it's festive, we're just going to go all out and get really gold. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes, and I'll be right back. pause it. Alright, I did my lashes with the roller lash. And I was going to do eyeliner, but I chose not to do it for this look because the colors are so pretty. I'm going in with the color First Class by Jeffree Star. This is one of his velour liquid lipsticks. Thank you so much for creating this, Jeffree. And it is super gold, guys. Are you ready for this? Like, oh my god. It's like that perfect pot of gold color. It literally looks like it's meant for this holiday. We're not going to stop there, even though it's a gorgeous color. I'm trying to be festive, guys. So I'm going to go back in with my BH Cosmetics. And I'm going in with the color that we used on the center of the eye. And I'm putting that right in the center of my lip. That is my festive look. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me some comment down below. I hope you guys all have a wonderful and safe St. Patrick's Day weekend. Have a great one. Bye.